Imagine a world where homes aren't built on mountains of waste, but with them. This isn't an utopian fantasy, it's the future we're building at Gamma Construction. We're not just another startup with a bright idea. We are a proven solution with houses already standing tall, communities flourishing, and recognition echoing from international competitions. We understand the urgency. The housing crisis is knocking on millions of doors. While construction continues to choke our planet, we can't afford the status quo, and we need to build differently. Construction industry is responsible for more than 40% of our global emissions, and it pollutes the most in the life cycle of the building itself, from resource extraction and processing to transportation, construction, demolition, and waste disposal. Just imagine constructing a 30-story concrete building would emit about 4,600 metric tons of CO2 in the use of concrete, equivalent to driving for nearly 20 million kilometers. And that's where Gamma Construction comes in. We transform industrial waste destined for landfills for millennia into sustainable, affordable building materials. Our innovative system cuts construction time by 75%, cost by 70%, and reduces water consumption in 90%, energy savings in 40%, and all this makes construction viable in places where water and energy are limited. In our production process, we reduce carbon footprint in 90%, use 20% less energy, and 40% of our prime material is completely recycled, using less than 50% water compared to traditional materials. But our story does not stop here. So what exactly does Gamma Construction does? Well, we create these panels that replace the bricks, in which you can build since walls, furniture, houses, decoration, and anything else you can imagine regarding construction. So, our story does not stop here. We stand at a crucial crossroad. We've proven the concept through more than 15 projects, including houses, departments, and integral furniture. But now, we need the help of Holdprice to scale our impact. Let me share with you some of our amazing success stories. Casa Hidalgo, a house located in Hidalgo, Mexico, designed entirely to be created with Gamma Construction materials. A house with large clearings that diffuse the warmth of the climate, surrounded by the differences in the volume of the terrain to appreciate the nature of the place. Another success story is the unipersonal models. Looking to tackle the necessities of the industrial zone and the growing demand of a comfortable but economic and simple place for workers and executives to rest, we created with Gamma 9 departments with a unique proposal of integral furniture with them, easing the rental of these models by reducing furniture expenses to the user. Lastly, the freedom in architectural design hasn't felt that real till yet. Using Gamma panels for creating unique decorations in any construction project is possible with Gamma. The lightness and malleability of our product makes it as easy as pasting and cutting. Integral furniture is other of our projects in which we can be implemented, creating from desks, chairs, shelves, entire closets, kitchens, and anything you can imagine with this material. For Gamma Construction, Holdprice is more than a price. It's a catalyst for change. With your investment, we can expand our reach, building not just the houses, but rebuild entire communities. Imagine entire communities rising from the ashes of waste, not just in Mexico, but across the globe. Holdprice goes beyond being a price. It's a catalyst for change in the status quo of how we build our entire communities. Just imagine entire communities rising from the ashes of waste, not just in Mexico, but across the globe. With our project, we have proven and investigated that we can use the same system of Gamma Construction in any part of the world. Together, we can transform the way we build, reshape our relationship with the environment, and empower individuals to build a brighter future. Invest in a future built on empathy. Invest in innovation. Invest in power of transformation, and invest in Gamma Construction.